are going to do class first, chapter 2. What is long? What is round? So, okay, this is a worksheet. Golu and Anu are playing and building objects from the blocks inside the house. They are using blocks of different shapes to make new objects. So, okay, in the picture, which Anu and Golu are making some things using their household objects. So they made lots of things like a train, a car, building, flower design, trees, dice, and etc. Let us play and learn with them. Ew, doesn't sync with my name. So, okay, look at the picture and circle the correct words. 1. They have made a building using round shaped blocks. So they made this red tower. I don't know why it's very non-towery, but it is wrong. Next and second one, they have made tires of a train round shaped blocks. So which shapes which they use for making this train tires? So if we go closely, there are these circles, and yeah, they are known as round. And the third one, Golu is making round trees. Tree, well, okay. In this, Golu, which is this boy, is making this tree, and it's long. 12 circle, long. 4. Anu is making long or round flower. So this is a flower which she is making, and it's pretty almost entirely made out of circles. So it would be round. Whoops, it's a little overlapping. So in the last one we can see 5. The blue colored blocks are used in the flower are round or long in shape. So the blue blocks which she used, if we look very closely, no, this is the maximum grade. She have made these blue dots or round shapes to make her flower. So, okay, next page. Long and round. I don't know what is this ruler obsessed with. I don't know. Let us find one. Look at the given picture below. Circle uncolored round shaped objects using red color and blue colors for long shaped objects. So for the long ones, we have to use blue, which is this color. I'm creasing it like this. Color. Yay, so much fun. Coloring. Wow, it's a great experience. And then use red colors for round shapes, like this football. Wow, very perfect coloring. And then this fan is also round. This fan stand, the ones which can stand. And then there's this little cupboard under it. That muesli color it. Coloring. So then there's this again long shape, so we have to color it again blue. It takes a little time to color, but I'm coloring it very bad for you to, then I know, finish this faster. And then there's this long object, I don't know, this is a light ones, those which are on the roof, so Then we got our last round object, which is here, this clock. I think some of the objects are not even visible by this point. So next, the second one, to match the objects with the similar shaped objects in each set. So okay, this tomato is kinda shaped like this basketball and not this book. No. Then we got this carrot, a long carrot. And if there's a long carrot, we need something long. Potatoes are round. The cauliflowers are long. So yeah, we have to match it with that. Then we get a birthday cap. Happy birthday to you. And then this cake, which is round, and that won't work. So it would be this ice cream cone or this ice cream. Then we get this glass. Yep, transparent glass. So it can't be this cog because it's squarish, and but the glass has a hole inside of it as well as this bucket, so it matches. Next, we got this gift box, which is squarish, and this bat is long, so it should match to the Rubik's cube. I think it's called that. Now, let us learn the shapes. 1C and read the names of these shapes. So, okay, this is circle, this is rectangle, triangle, square, and cone. I don't know why they're teaching you cone at this point. So, you have to learn these spellings. So, yeah, these are very important shapes. So, okay. In the next one, to match the following shapes with the things we see daily. So these are the things, these are the shapes, and these are the daily things that we see. So okay, this we got the bus. Buses are like rectangular shape, so it will match with rectangle. Then we got this square, squarey square, and it will match with the square. Then we got this ice cream cone or the ice cream thingy. So it will match with the cone because the ice cream cone is exactly the same shape. Then we got this traffic signal sign, which is a triangle, so it will match with triangle. Next, we got this cake, so it will match with these triangles. Then we got this train. Wow, Vande Bharat. Then we get the very long, which is not triangle, but it's a rectangle. Then we get this carom board, which has all four sides equal, meaning that it's a square. And then the last one, which is a basketball, which is a circle, to match with circle. You may think, what was the use of circle, by the way? Okay, let us think and draw. One, join the dots of two pictures that have similar ball shape and now color them. So which have round shape, which are round. So now we have to take out the black and then we have to trace. This tile is round, so we have to trace it. Tracing, tracing. Then we have to now color it. And you seriously know I hate coloring by now. Coloring gray. Okay, in the next one, this tree, and I can't see that's round. It can't. It can't be this. Also, a bus, like How on earth is this us like a round shaped? But this pumpkin is, so let's trace it. It's going to take a long time. I could sleep. Haw shoo, haw shoo, haw shoo, 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 shoo. Okay, now we finish this pumpkin. Now we have to color it orange. Orange. Coloring, coloring, coloring. My favorite coloring. I like coloring. Coloring, coloring. It's my best friend. Then we'll color it green at the top. Green, green, green. Now the next question also says, join the dots of two pictures that have similar bell shape. Color them, meaning the bells are usually like triangle shape. So in this, a tent isn't. It has a triangle, but not a cone. Yeah, bells are usually cones, not triangles. But we got this ice cream, yummy ice cream. So we have to trace that out. Wah, wah. Then we're going to make these ice cream scoops, aka your favorite part of an ice cream. Now we have to color it. My personal favorite ice cream flavor, and I think everyone's favorite, chocolate. That's why I'm making it chocolate. And then for the that cone thing, I'm coloring it tan. Don't get confused. Next, we get this cricket bat, which is long but not a cone. Can't be. Then we got this birthday cab, which is a cone, and it is actually a cone. Really. Now we'll color it whatever desired color you want. Yeah. 3. Anu and Guru are playing outside in the park. Anu is sliding on the slide and enjoying. This is Anu sliding down the slide. Golu is rolling the football in the park. So this is Golu playing with a football and rolling it. So let us enjoy. You never enjoy rolling and sliding. In sliding, there's this boy who is sliding down the slide, meaning like this is my pen and it goes like just doesn't go down. You need some force, which barely even goes down. Rolling is like this, like rolls down easily without any force. Then we get rolling and sliding. These sliding, rolling, put them together, rolling and sliding. So it's like this that can slide and roll. So in this, it's like this. It can slide my pen and it can also roll. Let us find one. Write R from the objects that can roll and S for the objects that can slide. So now we have to do R and S. So this can roll because this is a basketball. Basketballs is almost the exact same as footballs. So this should be R. Then this one, which has a curved face and can slide. Normally it can roll. So I'm going to write roll. Yes, a bucket rolls. Then we got this big thick book, which can slide. So it can't be that. So we have to write our first S. Then we got this gas cylinder, which you use to cook food on. For that, it's almost like a bucket, so we have to write R. So in this gift box, you can see that it is can't slide or roll, so we have to write slide. Then again, this clock can't roll because it doesn't have any curved faces, so we have to write S. Wow, half half. Then we write to tick the object that can roll and slide both. So first with this dog or these drums, it has a curved face and flat faces on both sides. So this can, as a carrot, it can roll but not slide because it doesn't have any flat surfaces. Oh yeah, carrot or like sphere, like a cone, but that thingy. Next, we got this pencil box and the Doraemon. I think this person is in Japan, and it can't, cause it can only slide, not roll. Football. We just saw an example a few minutes ago. No. Gas cylinder. I told you that it can roll and slide. So we have to tick this. Wait, did I? Yes, I ticked. Then we got this dish. It can slide but not roll. Badminton sticks. More like can't roll. The bottle has like one two flat surfaces and one curved face. So yeah, that's correct too. Then we got this car, this Jeep that can slide, roll because it has these tires, but can't slide. Oh yeah, it can slide. Tops, so it can. Then we got this ice cream cone, which can slide but not roll. Maybe it can slide because it has one face. Then we got this spoon. We think, hey, mister, there is a curved surfaces. How it's not a both? Why it can't be a tick? Because it's not fully and it can only slide, so it can't. This is lemon, easy peasy lemon squeezy. It can't. Nothing is easy. So then here's the end. Letters a ring. I'm not doing that. Boring. I think you guys can do. You just look at the picture and like, yeah, see it. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more worksheets like this. And yeah, I took a very long time to find this. So yeah, see you next time. Bee. Not bee. I'm not a bee. I can't be. Absolutely, I'm not a bee.